Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In our last video, we showed you how we installed a Pioneer MVH-1400NEX in a 2015 Fiat 500 Sport. In today's video, we're going to show you some of the features of Apple CarPlay and how the iDataLink Maestro RR2 facilitates the use of steering wheel controls as well as gives you the ability to see information on the car's performance. We'll also show you the backup camera in action and some of the other features of the MVH-1400NEX. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you do so before we get started so you don't miss out on our future videos. Play Other Side by Red Hot Chili Peppers.
Other Side by Red Hot Chili Peppers now playing.
Get directions to Starbucks.
One option is Starbucks on Pacific Coast Highway. Let me know if you want to hear the whole list.
Call National Grid.
Thank you for calling National Grid. Got it.
So we're not going to go into my messages, but basically if you receive a message, you'll get a notification on the screen and you can have Siri read it aloud to you, and then we'll ask you if you want to reply and you can dictate the message. In the news app, you can listen to audio news stories, you have podcasts, your calendar, WhatsApp if you have it, and any other apps that have Apple CarPlay support. Moving out of Apple CarPlay, you can use the Pioneer Bluetooth phone call feature and listen to Spotify or Pandora, but we're going to jump right into the performance info that the Maestro RR2 feeds to the stereo and show you that. Now, if you happen to get a check engine light, this is the area that will show up. The Maestro RR2 will tell you which error code your car is throwing, and you can reset it directly on the Pioneer without an OBD2 scanner. So that's it for this video, guys. We hope you enjoyed seeing some of the features of Apple CarPlay as well as the features that the Maestro RR2 add to this unit. If you haven't seen the first video of the series where we install all of this, make sure to watch that one. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.